Hello, my name is David Jensen and I am doing a video on how to install Buka bearings into an associated SC10's transmission. Here are the Buka bearings. They come in a neat little package. There are the bearings too. The tools that you'll be needing is a 3/32 hex driver and a 1/16 hex driver. The first thing that you need to do is take off your wheels and your motor. As you can see, I already did that to make it easier. Now what you want to do with your 3/32 hex driver is to take off this screw, and these two screws right here. And these two ones way down there. Okay. Then, with the 1/16 hex driver, you want to take off these two screws right here, and these two on the bottom. Now you're ready to pull off this top plate. Should come off easily, just like that. Now what you want to do is take off these two screws. Now what you want to do is take off the two backs on the bottom side screws. Now, as you can see, it should drop out very easily. Now what you want to do with the 3/32 screwdriver is to take off this screw right here, that screw, this screw, this screw, and that screw. And what you want to do with the 1/16 screwdriver is to take off this top one right here. After you take off your 6 screws, you can lift this up right here and gently pull it out. So it will look like that. Now I'm going to show you how to take out the old bearings and put in the new ones. So right here, got an old bearing. I'm going to take it out. Took it out. Now what you want to grab is your new bearing, new Buka bearing. And you should put it in here. And you should hear a snap. Then with the other one, I'm going to put it in here. And you do the same thing. Push it in there. And it should have snapped, but that's okay if it doesn't. And you put it in that one. Now you want to take two of the orange bearings, and then you want to put it in there. You should hear a snap. And then on the other side too, like that. Should be both sides. And then what you want to do with your two other bearings that you have left over, you want to put one in this little hole you see right there, and then put it in. Like so. And what you want to do with your other one, you want to put it in this one, right in there. So let's put it in there. And you should hear a snap. And that's it. Now once you put the bearings in, you want to put in the gears. So let's put in the gears. Now you want to get this gear, and you want to put it in here, like so. And then you want to take this gear. You want to put it in there, like so. And then you want to take this one and put it in this little hole right here. And then if you turn it, they should all turn. And then you want to take this cover and then you want to put it on. I just put the cover on and now I am putting on the screws. I just snapped this back on and now I am tightening the screws back on. Now I am tightening the front. Now I'm going to put in and tighten the front part of the screw. Now I finished that. Now you have to flip it over and put in the two back screws. Take your screws and you want to put it in. Then you want to put in the other one. Now you finish it by installing the top bracket. This right here. Flip it over. It goes right here. Let's grab it. Now take your screwdriver and you want to tighten the screws. Now that I put my body back on, my tires and my motor, now I'm going to turn it on and test drive it. Turn it on, turn on my controller, and I'm going to test drive it. Now I'd like to thank Wicked Bearings for making these awesome bearings.